In this video, you'll learn how to cancel a bid on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to retract your bid efficiently and understand the process involved in doing so. Begin by navigating to the eBay website. Once you are on the homepage, look for the search bar at the top. If you are not already logged in, click on the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In again to access your account. After logging in, locate the bid retraction page. You can find this by scrolling to the bottom of the eBay homepage and looking for the Help and Contacting. Click on it and search for Cancel a Bid in the Help search bar. Select the appropriate link that directs you to the bid retraction page. On the bid retraction page, you will be prompted to enter the item number of the auction listing for which you want to retract your bid. This number can typically be found in the auction listing itself. Enter the item number in the designated field and proceed by clicking on the Continue button. Next, you will be presented with a list of reasons for retracting your bid. These reasons may include scenarios such as entering the wrong bid amount or the seller making changes to the item details. Carefully read through the options and select the reason that best applies to your situation. It is important to review the retraction rules as they outline the conditions under which you can retract a bid. Once you have selected the reason, submit your bid retraction request by clicking the Submit button. After you submit your request, the system will process it, which may take a few moments. During this time, you may see a loading indicator. After processing, return to the auction page to confirm that your bid has been successfully removed. If the bid is still present, you may need to repeat the steps or check for any notifications from eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.